Now we come to the scope of CFA. Well, in CFA, I'm going to split it into India and overseas. In India, in the kind of companies that hire, I think anybody who has any understanding of finance, big or small companies, they all recognize CFA. So you talk about the big four, KPMG, Deloitte, PwC, EY. You talk about the big banks. You talk about JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. You talk about Citibank, talk about Bank of America, talk about Motilal Oswal, which is into wealth management, Anand Rathi. You talk about Kotak Bank, ICICI. You talk about private companies. You talk about, I have a friend who is into luxury travel. He started his own brand, and recently he was telling me that he wants somebody who's a CFA. He's okay to pay even 6-7 lakhs for a CFA who's level 1 or level 2 cleared, who can just help him manage his numbers for his company. So you get unique roles as well if you are in CFA because the value is that well recognized. Coming to the kind of profiles that a CFA can do, right from getting into the markets, financial markets, you can get into equity, you can get into portfolio management, you can get into valuations, you can work literally into anything that is to do with finance. You can get into simple analysis, you can get into derivatives, you can trade and invest, you can get into wealth management. I can go on, and these are just specific roles. I also, again, like I told you, right, I know people who have started their own ventures into completely random fields, but the base as a CFA helps. One of my old students, Neil, he is probably earning one of the highest amounts that I know of anybody of his age, because he has started his own investment banking boutique firm. After taking some experience, he's cleared CFA, he knows what it's all about, and now he's out there in the real world hustling, using his experience, his qualification to advance his career. So the scope of CFA is unlimited. And when it comes to the salary package, simply put, if you're just the level 1, you'll get more than what a BCom gets. So if a BCom gets 3 to 4 lakhs, a CFA level 1 can definitely get 4 to 5 lakhs, and in some cases even 6 lakhs. Level 2, you increase that to 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, depending on where you go. And level 3 and beyond is completely basis your experience, how you are, what your profile is. But it can go from 15 lakhs all the way to 50 lakhs combined, with your years of experience and so on and so forth. And also, if you've crossed 5 years of experience as a CFA level 3, everything clear, you have your charterholder, which is the experience. You need 3 years of experience required in the field of finance to become what we call a CFA charterholder. You have all of that. Again, there's no ceiling to your salary, right? You can have equity in companies. If you're investing, that's going to compound and grow. You can reach a few crores, hopefully, if things go well for you in the future. So this is when it comes to the scope of CFA in India. When it comes to overseas, it has a similar trajectory. A lot of countries, US, Canada, UK, in fact, for that matter, and all of Europe that I know of, Australia, Asia, India, China, I know all, Vietnam, I know these kind of countries. Vietnam is picking up CFA tremendously. So I know that you do have scope to work in all of these kind of countries. How to get there if you're from India depends, once again, unfortunately or fortunately, on you. It depends at the time you clear things. It depends as to what you've done before you apply for. If you just expect to clear a level by taking your own time and then applying to 1 or 2 companies in another country and you think you're going to get there, that will unfortunately be almost impossible, if not downright impossible. However, as long as you are always trying to generate value for yourself by studying really hard, by taking as much of work experience as you can, even if it's not perfect, even if you're not getting paid what you dream of, you keep applying for a few years, not a day, not a few days or weeks or even months, but a few years. At some point, things start clicking. And when they do, before you know it, you will hopefully be working in a dream company, in a dream country, if that's not here, all stemming because of your decision to take CFA extremely seriously. So this is when it comes to the scope and the job opportunities. So guys, if you'd like to learn more about CFA, if this video was for any reason not enough, you have more questions, not only can you leave it in the comments, but please feel free to reach out. We do land up training a few thousand CFA students every year, and hopefully we've seen most of them progress. So if you have any further doubts, feel free to reach out. We are there to help.